Hello guys. I had to stop filming the other time to bring some pieces of meat to the puppy, but I have a problem that Adora she smelled the meat and she followed me. Oh, the puppy is eating some bones. Maya, she left. Okay, I want to give him some pieces of meat, but he is scared of me. هاك غزيول اجي كل أدورا. I don't want to let the piece of meat. I am afraid that Adora and Blackie eat the meat before he can get to it. Adora, تاكلي شوي؟ لا لا، كلي شوي، ها كلي شوي، كلي شوي. صافي بارك عليك. I gave her some pieces, but she's هاجي she will eat. هاجي I wish he can smell it. Sit. He was close, very close. Sit up cool. Look at Adora. I wish he can smell. Oh, we take a bone. Oh my gosh. Oh, la. They break. He began to eat it. Look at him. Oh, thanks God, thanks. Shh. Sit. La. Blackie, sit. Thanks God, Saf. He finished his meal. Look. Hesh. Oh, هاك. Saf. هاك. Oh my gosh. There is a small piece. هاش Adora. He eats the last piece. Oof. Sorry, Adora. Sorry. نزلت الميكا. هاي. اش كديري؟ زول اش بقى تجي سويت. زول Black is still eating. Adora. She licked my hand because there is blood in it. حبيبة ديالي انتي لاكي زوينة. صافي وي حبيبة ديالي بلاكي. اي سويتي ياش جي زوين جا زول. صافي. By the way, they didn't like cat's food, dry cat's food. غزيولة اوكي كنطي انتي زوينة انتي صافي. ماما بلاكي بلاكي. Today there is no chemo. He is sleeping. They are still eating. Look at this puppy. Hey, hi. How's your wool? Yes. He is afraid.